Do I know you cause you collide like my first girlfriend, my first girlfriend. Baby girl, you collide like my first girlfriend, my first girlfriend. Baby girl, you collide like my first girlfriend, my first girlfriend. Baby girl, you collide like my first girlfriend, my first girlfriend.
Hey yo, I'm looking for that right girl. Shorty be my best friend, lock in my heart, but I'm hoping I can let her in. Though I know we young, maybe someone I'll be better with. Let you wear my jacket down the hall, like the cutest little letterman. Might be a pro, but I'm certainly no veteran. Sharing these thoughts like an open love veteran. I wonder if I know what's love at first sight, or if these kind of feelings take flight. Or maybe you'll be hiding out, I can see you somewhere in the crowd, hoping that one day we'll find out. Or maybe you'll be on the front row, screaming loud in my show, when I'll meet you with a smile and a rose. Or maybe back home, a friend or someone I already know. And this is something for you that I wrote, and I may never know. I wonder if you feel the same too, and I just wanna see if it's true. Do I know you cause you
collide like my first girlfriend, my first girlfriend. Baby girl, you collide like my first girlfriend, my first girlfriend. You got my heart feeling like ooh, 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 ooh. You got my heart feeling like ooh, 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 ooh. Do I know you cause you collide like my first girlfriend, my first girlfriend.
Girl, you can be my shorty, senorita, a little lady, I just wanna meet you. What's it gonna take now for me to find you? Cause you never do know when you find someone that you love. And I just wanna be there, close my eyes, I'm dreaming, and suddenly you appear. I may be talking crazy and maybe it's in the air, cause I'm thinking about you daily and I don't really care what it takes now. Name a city and I'll be there, on my way out here, consider me in the air. When it rains now, sit by my window and say a prayer that you're safe